G'day legends, are you ready for a dish that tastes like it took all day but comes together in minutes? Today we're making the most incredible sticky Asian inspired barbecue pork rolls. The incredible flavour here comes from a simple but powerful marinade of soy, honey, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and a touch of gochujang for that addictively sweet and spicy kick. You'll want to marinate your thin cut pork for at least 30 minutes, but the sweet spot for flavour is right around the 2-hour mark. A quick tip, avoid going over 4 hours. After that point, the high sugar content can burn easily on a hot pan, and the pork's texture can start to toughen. When it's time to cook, get your barbecue or heavy base pan cranking over medium-high heat. You're listening for that satisfying sizzle the moment the pork makes contact. Because of the honey in the marinade, the pork will caramelize beautifully, but also very quickly, so keep a close eye on it. It only needs a couple of minutes per side. Once the pork has a gorgeous glaze, transfer it to a board and let it rest for a few minutes. This is a crucial step to make sure it stays incredibly juicy. Once rested, slice it into strips. Now, if you want to take this from great to absolutely amazing, here's the secret. Toss those warm strips in an extra glaze. You have a couple of brilliant options here. You can reduce some of the fresh marinade you set aside earlier, or you can try my special reduced apple juice glaze. I've got a guide for that over on my website. A quick toss is all it takes to get that ultra sticky next level coating you see in restaurants. Now for the fun part, assembly. Grab your toasted banh mi roll. A little butter on the inside will prevent it from getting soggy, but it's delicious either way. Start by loading in a generous amount of my tangy Asian slaw, which has been tossed in a creamy peanut butter dressing. Or you can use my sharp gochujang vinaigrette, or any slaw dressing you choose. Follow that with a layer of pickled red onion. I'll have a guide for making your own coming very soon. Next, pile on that sticky glazed pork. And finish it off with some fresh coriander, a few slices of fresh chili for a bit of heat, and a final sprinkle of toasted peanuts and sesame seeds for that essential crunch. You're going to want to make this one on repeat. It is perfect for a lunch, dinner, or backyard barbie. Check the description for the full recipe and all the tips you need to make this perfect. Happy cooking!